Floating on a cloud of compressed air is the ultimate luxury experience until the pneumatic compressor decides to fail, bringing us to a necessary and highly analytical discussion about the engineering reality and long-term maintenance of the 2019 Volvo XC90. Looking closely at the mechanical blueprints of this flagship sport utility vehicle, we find a highly complex 2.0-liter turbocharged and supercharged inline-4 engine that generates an output of 316 horsepower alongside 295 pound-feet of torque. This intricate power plant channels its energy through a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission, sending power to all four wheels, which allows the heavy vehicle to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a highly respectable 6.5 seconds. Practicality remains a core focus, with a vast cargo capacity of 858 liters available behind the second row, making it a highly capable family transport for extended road trips. Analyzing the exterior design reveals a masterclass in Scandinavian aerodynamics, where the signature Thor's hammer daytime running lights flank a proud vertical front grille that guides air efficiently over the sculpted hood to reduce highway drag. The sleek profile minimizes wind resistance, while the optional 21-inch alloy wheels fill the wheel arches, perfectly giving the vehicle a planted and secure stance without compromising the elegant aesthetic. Moving to the interior, the cabin is a beautifully crafted sanctuary utilizing genuine open-pore wood trims, real aluminum accents, and soft Nappa leather that wraps around seats, specifically designed by orthopedic specialists to prevent physical fatigue on long journeys. The central focus of the minimalist dashboard is the 9-inch portrait-oriented touchscreen display, which houses the Sensus infotainment system controlling climate navigation and premium audio functions, while significantly reducing physical button clutter across the center console. Advanced driver assistance systems like Pilot Assist provide sophisticated lane keeping and adaptive cruise control capabilities that monitor traffic patterns to reduce driver workload. When evaluating the driving dynamics based on technical specifications and chassis architecture, the optional 4-corner air suspension entirely replaces the standard transverse composite leaf spring setup at the rear and the traditional coil springs at the front. This active chassis system uses a centralized electronic control unit to continuously adapt the air pressure in each shock absorber based on road conditions and payload weight, keeping the vehicle perfectly level even when fully loaded with 7 passengers and heavy luggage. On paper, this translates to an exceptionally plush and isolated ride quality that absorbs harsh road imperfections and expansion joints before they can send vibrations into the passenger cabin. Furthermore, the system can lower the vehicle for improved aerodynamic efficiency at highway speeds or raise it for additional ground clearance on rough terrain. However, from a long-term ownership perspective, the mechanical reality of aging air struts, electromagnetic valve blocks, and pressurized pneumatic lines introduces a substantially higher probability of expensive maintenance compared to traditional static suspension setups. The rubber bladders within the air springs are inherently susceptible to dry rotting and micro tears over years of thermal cycling, which can lead to a sagging suspension and an overworked air compressor that will eventually burn out if the leak is not addressed promptly. Ultimately, reviewing the engineering data suggests that while the active air suspension provides superior comfort and dynamic load, leveling prospective owners must carefully factor in the inevitable replacement costs of these complex pneumatic components as the vehicle ages to maintain that pristine luxury ride quality.